Hello everyone, let us continue our discussion on the soil water relationship previous year GATE questions. So coming to the question, a 588 centimeter cube volume of moist sand weighs 1010 grams. That means total volume he has given. Total volume is equal to 588 centimeter cube. Okay, so total weight also he has given 1010 grams. Okay, its dry weight is nothing but weight of solids. So 918 grams. Okay, and specific gravity of the solids is 2.67. G suffix s is equal to 2.67. So assuming density of water as 1 gram per cc, so density of water or unit weight, okay, density of water is 1 gram per cc. So density of water is equal to 1 gram per cc. Okay, the void ratio is we know that actually gamma d is equal to g gamma w by 1 plus. In terms of density I am writing g is equal to g gamma w, or density of water divided by 1 plus e. So this dry density, how can we write? Mass of solids by volume. So mass 918 divided by, so volume how much he has given? 588 is equal to G 2.67 into density of water 1 divided by 1 plus E. So E is equal to 2.67 into 588 divided by 918 minus 1. So E is coming around 0.710. that means 0.71. So the value of E will be 0.71. okay, and we'll discuss one more previous year GATE question. So a soil has specific gravity of solids equal to 2.65. so G suffix s is equal to 2.65, and the mass density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. The mass density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. So here gamma w is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. Considering 0 air voids, that means Na is equal to 0, and 10% moisture content of the soil sample. So water content also how much he has given? 0.10. The dry density in kg per meter cube, round off to 1 decimal place would be. So dry density has asked, so gamma d he has asked. So in terms of density I will write, or unit weight also it is okay. So we know the relation gamma d is equal to 1 minus Na gs gamma w by 1 plus gs into w. So this actually considering 0 air voids, that means Na is equal to 0. There is no air voids. So gamma d we have to find out. So that is nothing but G value is 2.65 into gamma w how much? 1000 kg per meter cube divided by 1 plus 2.65 into water content 0.10. So calculate how much it is coming around. 2.65 into 1000 divided by 1 plus 2.65 into 0.10. 2094.86 2094.86 kg per meter cube. So round off to one decimal place, so we can round off to one decimal place, that is nothing but 2094.9 we can write 2094.9. so this is actually the thing that he has asked. So that means you will be knowing the importance of these formulas, 12 to 13 formulas. If you know these formulas, we can easily find out the given parameter from the question. So thanks for watching my lecture. If you feel the content is useful, please like my channel and subscribe as well. Thank you.